What will it cost you to hire more receptionists? Both startups and established businesses have one problem: not enough well-informed help for answering incoming phone calls. Whether you have one or more receptionists, they all lack the knowledge necessary to answer all the questions of the incoming caller and have limited capability, time-wise and skills-wise. To hire additional receptionists would cost you a minimum of $18 an hour, and you may not even use them to full advantage, and other than passing the call on to the next person, they don't help that much. That in-house receptionist will cost you 18 times 8, times 22, times 12 for just one shift. That comes to $38,000 for one shift. When you add up the benefits such as healthcare and vacations, it comes to $52,000 a year for one shift. There are people calling you after the receptionist leaves work and are unwilling to leave messages. They want answers, and they want them now. So if you hire to cover all 3 shifts and weekends and holidays, you are looking at over $150K a year. You'll agree that that is too much. That is why a lot of businesses shy away from hiring receptionists and think they can handle it themselves or with 1 or 2 receptionists. The problem is they are unaware of how many calls are missed, and how much business is lost and going down the drain because they weren't there to answer the call. We want to show you industry-specific statistics and provide you a calculator to see for yourself what you are losing to the competition. We wish to share with you our own story of what has helped us and how you can do it for as little as $497 a month with a reasonable setup fee. So if you are willing to experiment with $2K over a year to increase your revenue by 5% to 65%, even 160%, first check the examples on our page at callstobooked.com. After you are satisfied that this is the best thing you've ever seen, which is what our clients say to us, then go ahead and use the calculator to check your own revenue possibilities. Then you can book a call to provide more information so we can set up your very own call girl or call guy. On behalf of Dr. Raj, this is Olivia signing off at callstobooked.com.